For years, I got hammered by food, leading me to be 315 pounds and having numerous health issues at the age of only 22. One day, enough was enough, and I found the tools to help me fight back. And now I hammer food. I find the most tastiest bites and engage the most monstrous fights. I'm conquering fears and chugging beers, lifting weights and cleaning plates. I'm Heavy D, and these are my adventures. What's up, Heavy D Nation? Heavy D coming back at you with another edition of Slurps and Burps, everyone's favorite chugging and belching series. And for today we have a special one. If you see my headphones, I play video games every Tuesday with my best friend in Chicago, which is mainly where I do my slurps and burps. Since I've been doing a lot of bad eating, that is why I focused on the orange soda last week, and today we're going to continue our diet soda theme and get back to beers this next week. Some Bud Lights. I know we had the request. I'm not sure if this counts as a tank top. It's a cutoff. It's showing some skin for the win. Big K Diet Root Beer. 0 calories, 79 cents for a 2-liter bottle. And then you also can do the 12-pack of these for like $2.79 when they're on sale. What I love with these, root beer floats. We're getting close to summer. Diet ice cream, regular ice cream, throw a couple scoops in there, pour this over, boom, a delicious treat. What I do when I need some extra fat calories in my diet, for my macros, for the macro videos, when I'm low on that, I'll pour some heavy cream in there, over some ice, and top it with whipped cream, and it's like a keto root beer float. It is delicious, because it's like a root beer float. You get that creaminess from the heavy cream, but it's the delicious, not as much sugar coming in there and carbs. Another thing I love with this, continue with our alcohol beverage theme, rum and root beer. Surprisingly delicious. Give it a shot if you're of age and you like rum, and see and let me know what you think. But rum and root beer, one of my favorite staples. So without further ado, I'm going to shut up, I'm going to slurp, and we're going to burp, and we're going to chug these and get you some of what everyone's favorite thing is. But did I go to Arizona State? Nope. Do I love Arizona State? Yep. Ooh, we got a big old cup of root beer. Pretty good hang time, you know, lasts a little bit long. Let me finish this up. Well, that was this week's edition of Slurps and Burps. Hammer that subscribe button. Let me know what you want to see me chug and review. And until the next adventure, stay. So that burp sucked. The minute, I didn't clear out a lot of my storage from Coney Island, so I didn't get a long video. The minute it stopped filming, boom, one of the biggest burps of my career. I couldn't leave you guys with such a bad burp for this week since this is everyone's favorite. So I'm busting open a San Pellegrino. I just woke up. That's the dedication to this, making sure that you guys get what you want instead of telling you what you want. Well, I hope those are better. We're going to get on track with better burps, beer reviews. I know these last 2 weeks it's been because of diet. See, I have to commit more to my diet, losing the 100 pounds. Mentally, I don't like to gain weight or push myself too much in the calorics, which sounds crazy since I just ate 21 hot dogs and I am going to attempt to eat 65 ice cream sandwiches this weekend. But it's for charity. So have a great day. Have a great Wednesday. We'll see you next week on Slurps and Burps. Excuse me, Burps and Slurps.